some of my sexy videos. I don't know why. Most of my videos earned is from live streaming. So that's it. I don't know what happened. So I'm just like entertaining here. Yes, I have my Instagram now ni Hamaroy. Ma-remove man na basta dili na ka maka-upload ko ang image. Oo. Nag-upload din ko every a week is 3 times a week. No, na-demonetize ako. The YouTube was messaged me on my Gmail that my channel doesn't able to earn anymore because of the review that my channel and my content has reports, and they said that my content has a sexual gratification. That's what made my channel demonetized. So I clean my channel. I will delete some of my videos. Most of my videos I will get 100k or 400k views. So I that video is I go effort in that video, but it's sad to say that that's me cause of demonetized, so I delete it. So I make a new video again. So please guys watch my new videos. Hello like hello Juicy K, hi. Try ka mambasin ka lugar talaga siya mabalik lang po sila o gusto kaya mo mount account. Ligo, natatakot ako baka ano nito siya termination na ulit yung matanggap ko. Depende kasi yung mga ligo challenge na yun. So I don't know, but maligo challenge ako pero hindi not much sexy. Ligo lang siya talaga na hindi naman susuot ng mga kikita yung mga ligo lang talaga siya po. So I have 85 views here. Shout out. I thought I see my message posted. Oh, that's it. Hello to my 75 viewers. In the past month, 6 months, I have on my live streaming, I have my views about 500. Because in my live streaming, I wear sexy dress and talking in front of the camera and make some myself inspired to my viewers, if you want to see my feet. I don't know what they're doing. You're always shining, my friend. Greetings from Algeria. I am one of your early followers. I wish you success and success in your life, my friend. My greetings. Thank you. As a photographer, shout out. For those who don't have yet subscribed, so please subscribe now, guys. Help me to grow my channel. I want to reach my goal in this vlogging and 100k subscriber before my birthday. It's the one you will the gift of me on my birthday, even though my channel is not yet monetized again, but I need your subscription on my channel. Wait, wait. Hello, this is just a short live stream. Hello, Manik Chen. Hello to Carol Rell and to Carol Cat and to Hannah Alfan. I love Buhat Mandarlag. Oh, hello Catalino Espinosa. Long time no see. Long time no see, and now I'll be back in live stream. Be back on live stream. Hi, shout out. Shout out to everyone. Hi to my one. Gusto ko mom. Medyo hindi ako okay. Kasi bad news on my channel. That's my plan is on my birthday. I will celebrate my birthday because I have my salary on YouTube. But now I don't have. It's in April. I don't have any salary. Don't call because my channel, That's why you don't see me on live always. Because even though I go live every night, I can't earn dollars on my revenue because my channel is demonetized. Catalina. Thank you. Hello, Fredo Rodriguez. Hi. Thank you for